In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Sheets link with others. Now, what you need to do once you've opened up your Google Sheet, you then need to decide who you're going to share it with and also the method you're going to use to share it as well. Because you can go ahead and download it, or you can go ahead and share it so they can collaborate on it and edit and upload their own data to this Google Sheet. You can also give them a level of control, which is completely up to you, and I'm going to cover that right now. So here we are inside the Google Sheet. Now, the most obvious and easiest way to share is by going to share in the top right hand corner. It's then going to open up this window and show you all of the people you've currently got with access. You can remove anyone at any time and they'll all be listed under you. Now, as you can see, I am the owner of this Google Sheet. Now, if I wanted to give someone access, by default, it will be on restricted. Now, the easiest way that you can give someone access and the most obvious is by copying the link. But just know that if you click on copy link and the general access is on restricted, if you then give this link to somebody, and I'm going to show this as an example now, it's going to prompt them to sign in. And when they do sign in, you are going to get an email saying someone has tried to access your Google Sheets. The reason for this is because it is still unrestricted. People get this wrong because they think they can just click copy link, and if someone then goes to it, they will be given access. Once someone tries to open this, you will be sent an email and you will then have to approve them. If you want someone to automatically be able to click on the link and access the file, you need to change this from restricted to anyone with the link. This will give anyone the option to click on the link and access the file without having to request access from you in the first place. This can be useful if someone's trying to access this document at a different time zone than you, you're not awake and you're not on your emails to approve them. But just note that if you click copy this link, if anyone's got this link, they will be able to access it. Another way that you can go ahead and share your files is by inviting people by their email. So you can go ahead and enter in an email. So let me say I want to invite my other email here, bradleyharrison54@gmail.com. You can then choose if you want this person to be able to view the document, to be able to comment and give notes, or if they are able to edit it as well. You can also give them a message and an invitation to this document. Now, by doing this and clicking send, it will send them an email and say, in my case, Bradley has invited you to be an editor of this document. Do you want to approve? If they go ahead and approve it on their email, they will then have the permissions and they'll be able to access the document, and you can see that in share. So you can see this person is now an editor once they approve it. If you wanted to remove access, you can just remove them at any time. So that's basic overview of how you can share your Google Sheets. I hope that was useful. Let me know in the comments if it was.